Hey everybody, it's Allie
and Sam.
And today in the kitchen we are making 40 clove garlic chicken. But it's gonna be more like 80 cloves because we're doubling the recipe.
We're doubling it.
We're just gonna go ahead and give it a try.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is season the chicken thighs. And we're just going to use salt and pepper and some mixed dried herbs. Our oil is nice and hot, and we are going to drop our seasoned chicken in there and let it get nice and brown and crispy. Alright guys, so I just put in our chopped shallots, and we are going to let these cook in our pot with the remaining oil and herbs for about 5 minutes.
Now that we've thrown our garlic cloves in the pan, we're gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add our white wine, let that reduce and simmer down, throw in our chicken stock and our parsley sprigs, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So that was a fun recipe to make. I mean, something different.
Literally 80 cloves of garlic.
But it doesn't, I don't think it's gonna taste crazy.
No, I don't
know. We'll see.
Since Doc is not here today, we have to taste test without him. It's so good.
That's so good. It's not what I was expecting, but
it's not.
Oh my gosh, that's really good.
It's not overly garlicky.
No, you would never know, like 80 cloves.
The garlic is so tender, you can just smash it with your
Whoa.
fork. It's approved.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can click the link below to do that.
See you next week. Bye.
Bye. What's so good about garlic?
So we're making, it's gonna be really garlicky.
Dude, this is good.
Alright, we'll move on.